Mastering expressive phrases. Understanding roar in frustration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression often heard in English, roar in frustration. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or simply curious about expressive phrases, you're in the right place. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and the emotions it conveys. So, let's get started. Roar in frustration combines two powerful words to express a deep emotional state. To roar typically means to make a loud, deep sound, much like a lion. However, when humans roar, it's more about expressing strong feelings loudly than sounding like a lion. Frustration refers to the feeling of being upset or annoyed, especially because of inability to change or achieve something. When put together, roar in frustration describes a person vocally expressing intense annoyance or dissatisfaction due to obstacles they can't easily overcome. This phrase is often used to describe moments of intense emotion, where someone can no longer contain their feelings of being thwarted or hindered. It's vivid and evocative, perfect for storytelling, creative writing, or even in casual conversations when you want to emphasize the strength of someone's reaction. However, it's important to use it in contexts where this level of intensity is understood and appreciated, as it might be too strong for formal or sensitive situations. To grasp the nuance of roar in frustration, let's look at some examples. After trying for hours to solve a complex math problem, John finally roared in frustration and slammed his book shut. The athlete roared in frustration as she missed the goal that would have won the game, her voice echoing in the empty stadium. These examples show not just the emotional intensity but also the physical or vocal reaction associated with the phrase. Understanding phrases like roar in frustration can enrich your English communication, allowing you to express emotions vividly and compellingly. It captures a moment of intense emotional release, often driven by challenges or obstacles. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the depth and color that such expressions add to the English language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to express yourself boldly and creatively. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.